It's Leon Papkoff here with the CXApp. It's a pleasure to be here today and walk you through a couple key features in our Workplace platform today. This platform does come with a native version built in iOS as well as Android and a web version. All three are enterprise level with enterprise security and give your employees the ability to download and utilize your own standard SSO to log into the application. So we make it very easy to access and get involved in the application. Any app that we deploy for a client is fully branded for that client. As you can see on my phone here, all these apps have our customers' unique brands from Warner Media to Adobe to HPE to Lenovo to MetLife. A number of different customers that we work with in the industry all have their own brand directly into the app. So diving in quickly into our Workplace SuperApp today, you'll see a custom loading screen that would match your brand. And after the user has SSO'd into the application, you're going to see all the campuses that are available for your employees to access, all by the individual city, country. You can also toggle to add additional campuses by selecting this More button. You can search for campuses by name, by region. So if you have hundreds of campuses around the world, they're very easy to add in here. You could select all or individual campuses that you want in the foreground for you as a personal level. By hitting submit, they're all going to load here, and now you have access to any of them. If you want to change the order, you can also drag one of them up, changing the order of it so it makes it at the top of the list for you as an individual employee. So let's go ahead and dive into this top campus, which is our Los Angeles campus. By clicking into that campus, you're going to see right out of the gate a number of key things, making it very easy for employees to interact with. But you'll see a rotation of banners at the very top of the list, giving employees insights into what is going on in this week, in the upcoming weeks. These can be very easily adjusted and swapped out in our content management system. I think most of our customers find this very easy to update and adjust as things are happening at a local level with each individual campus. Today, I'm only going to focus on the spaces area around room and desk booking, but I want you to know there's a number of other key features in this application. There's a very dynamic news feed. We have indoor mapping with navigation, either through wayfinding or blue dot. We can also bring in any internal events with our events module, as well as our workshop module is also available. There's a very comprehensive employee directory, as well as some detailed information at the local campus level where I can access transportation options, hotel options, cafeteria options, even ordering food all directly through the Workplace application. For the demo, I'm going to go ahead and dive into the spaces area. This is where you're going to see real-time capabilities of the map floor. So anything in green is going to be available for booking. Anything in red that is currently not here right now would show up as red. It's not bookable. You also can toggle into different types of elements in this area. Let me go ahead and dive in real quick. Let's do a room booking first. I'm going to select this room in the upper left corner. When you select that room, you'll be able to get in different viewpoints of the room itself. You'll be able to view capacity. You can actually bring up any kind of AV instructions that might be needed for the room, helping your employees understand how to access the AV equipment. You can go ahead and change the dates and times of the meeting, or you can go ahead and just type in a title in the meeting. So I'm going to say Leon's, let's go ahead and say Leon's test meeting real quick. And then you can type a description. You can turn on WebEx, Google Meet. We're integrated with Zoom. So any kind of virtual platform you may have, WebEx telepresence are always a top choice. You can also invite other people into the meeting as well. This is going to access your employee directory, and it's going to give you real-time information on if they're available for this time frame. So these are the most frequently invited people. Just by selecting their name, you can add them. But you can also just type their name in here and we will search the entire employee directory as well as any vendors or outside individuals that you may want to invite to the meeting. So let's go ahead and select a few more people. And then booking this particular room is really that easy. At the end of the booking, you can also add in catering or even more AV details that you may need for this particular room. And then I can go ahead and hit done. Now we're going to go to your reservation list, which is going to give you full access to the information on that room. And then if you want to join virtually through WebEx, Google Meet, whatever platform you want to use, you can quickly click on that, or you can navigate directly to that meeting. Let's go ahead and click navigate. We're going to open up our real-time maps. We're going to highlight that room on your campus. No matter what building, floor that this is located, it will highlight it. We've indexed all the different rooms and different areas within the campus itself. If I hit go, the app automatically knows where I'm at with a blue dot experience, so it's going to start navigating me directly to the room. It's really that easy. So jumping out of here, I'm going to go back to our availability map, and you'll of course now see that one room we just booked showing up in red. Let's go ahead and toggle up to the third floor, and I'll show you really quickly how a desk booking works. So you can see on the third floor, loads very quickly. I can zoom in. Everything's pinch and zoom in the application. So you can see all the different desks. If I want to book this one desk here, you'll see I have the ability to visually see what the desk looks like. I can toggle what are the features related to the desk that make it very intuitive. Date and time can be adjusted as well. And then I can book the desk for myself, or I can even be a delegate booker and book it on behalf of a colleague or someone I work with. So I can go ahead and book that particular desk quickly in the application. And now you're going to see we're going to get a desk receipt. I can set up check-in, automatic check-in, or manual check-in, and you'll see you're checked in. And then we also, of course, have the ability to navigate directly over to that desk, highlighting the desk, hitting go. Since I'm on the first floor, you can see here it's going to walk me over to the elevator and tell me to go up to the third floor. So it's going to take me through that. I'm going to pop out on the third floor and now walk directly over to the desk, really nicely routing the user with real-time mapping and navigation directly to that desk location, as you can see right here within the map. So indoor location services are always a key part of our application itself. One other key feature I'd like to show you guys on the map, let me go back down to the first floor. One of the other key features that a lot of our customers are looking for today is how do I know when my other colleagues are going to be coming into the office? This is a great, fantastic feature we have in the platform. Down below here, you can see this button called Colleague Bookings. At any point, I can select that colleagues bookings, and you're going to see by date today, I don't have any colleagues coming in, but tomorrow I have 2 colleagues coming in, and you can scroll through multiple days to see when colleagues are planning on being in the office. I can also toggle ahead by clicking on the calendar item. If I want to select a future month or a future date, I can go ahead and select that. But let's say I'm thinking about going in the office tomorrow and I really want to work with Sophie. So I can literally just click on her icon. It's going to show me that she has a desk booking for a particular day. You know what? Maybe tomorrow's not the best day, but Wednesday, March 1st is. So I'm going to click on Dana here. And let me go ahead and click on the map. So now I can load the map and see exactly where she's going to sit. You can see she's planning on sitting right there. And this is actually you can see the clock March 1st from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. She's got a desk booking. Now I have the ability to book a desk right next to her. It's that easy for the same day and time as she has her booking. And I can adjust those as well. But I can go ahead and click book it and now book a desk right next to her. So that was a very quick demo. I want to just highlight a couple key things for you guys. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us. We'd love to work with you on a new opportunity for having a workplace application built out for you. So please contact me and let me know if you guys have any questions. We'd love to do a more comprehensive demo for you and your company. Thanks again for your time today.